No more trust. Two close friends, Sarah and Tina, they knew each other since they were children. Sarah was an intelligent student. She was studying every single day, but Tina was not. She was spending her time on social media apps. Tina's mother was the principal of her school. She gave her a word. If she get high grades, she would buy her a new laptop. One day at school, the teacher said, "Students, you have maths exam on Saturday. Study hard." Week later, the day of the exam came. Students started writing and answering the questions. Sarah seemed confident and relaxed. Otherwise, Dina seemed confused and nervous. Dina asked Sarah for help, so they switched the papers. After a short time, the teacher said, "Hurry up, timing's running out. 5 minutes left." The exam was over. 2 weeks later, results have came up. The teacher looked at Sarah and said angrily, "Sarah, I'm very disappointed." "Dina, congratulations, you got A grade." Sarah seemed shocked, and then she remembered what it had happened during the exam. She sadly forgot to bring back her paper and check it. Dina acted like nothing happened and said, "Thank you, teacher. I have studied so hard." Sarah expected from to thank or at least to say something nice. Even though Sarah congrats Dina, she said to her on their way out, "Congratulations, Dina, but you could tell the truth." Dina responded, "Never, and be loser again." "You know, Dina, that's not my real level. I'm so much better than that," Sarah said. Dina looked disrupted and said, "Real level, you mean perfection?" "Oh, oh, come on, don't be selfish. It's just once." Sarah started crying and hurt out and said, "Really? This is going to affect my marriage and since to get the scholarship." Dina sat with her ugly boxer face. "Stop crying like a baby. You are super smart. Study again, best of luck." That was the last conversation between them. They had never been friends ever again. Thank you. Thanks to bear with me. Please subscribe my channel for more stuff like this. Thank you.